Hello, my name is Marley, and today I'm going to show a small fragment of my life. I was born on March 22, 2000, in the municipality of Vélez Santander. I grew up in Guadalajara, Santander. In this municipality, my parents had their house and farm. We used to go every Saturday to the farm. We collect guava and took care of the cows that my parents had. Sundays were family day. We attend church and then we went for about 11. We made lunch as a family and spent the afternoon watching movies or taking a nap. That's how it was most of my childhood until my first pet came into my life, and this makes things a little more fun. My first pet was called Tony. It was a hair white, beautiful, and playful. This puppy was gift to me by my grandfather Laureano, and when I was 7 years old, I just gave it to me for my birthday. For me, this was a very nice detail because I had wanted to have a puppy since I was younger. After having it for about 5 years, we met Juliet, daughter of a lady now to my parents. She liked Tony very much, and I was presenting respiratory problems due to my puppy's hair. For this reason, we give Juliet the puppy. We knew that with her she was going to be very good, and so it was until he reached old age. After this, I had several pets, but none as important as Tony. Then I continued to study my ordinary school when I was in the 11th grade of high school. I changed schools. I graduated from a school in Puente Nacional. For me, my grade from school was very important. I was 16 years old when this happened. I knew that I had finished a very beautiful stage of learning and that I was going to start a stage of many sacrifice for my life. After my degree, I spent a year without studying, clearly deciding that being an English teacher was something I really want for life. In 2018, I started my path to being a professional. I was clear about what I want to study and what I want to be in life. In that same year, in the month of October, I moved to the city of Bogota. This was really a before and after for my life. It was something important for me because I was going to start working for myself and was going to be away from my parents, from my family. I spent 2 years in Bogota. I worked and studied in the same time. It was heavy. It was a complicated routine, but how complicated the city of Bogota is, it was something really exhausting. My first job in Bogota was as an assistant in a physiotherapy office. I was very good friends with my boss. It was a job that I would undoubtedly accept again. My second job was being an administrative and accounting assistant of a company of architects and engineers who oversaw doing telecommunication and internet surveys. I loved this job. Although it was complicated at the beginning because I did not know many things about that field, that especially seems complicated and was something totally new for me. This is what my stay in the city of Bogota was based on. In February of 2020, I had to return to my people. The pandemic caused by COVID-19 led me to this. It was sad for me, but I no longer had a job, and it was difficult to survive in the middle of a pandemic and without a job in Bogota. I honestly did not want to be here. I like the life I lead in Bogota, being a little more responsible and always doing things for myself. Although sometimes they were a little complicated, but since then I am here and I have found a way to adapt to this new situation. And yeah, that has been everything in my life so far, with moments full of different emotions and feelings, but always keeping in mind that no matter the situation in which I find myself, I must fight for my dreams and remain focused on my goal, considering that soon the day will come when I manage to be professional I have loved so much. Today, I am the woman I always want to be as a child, and that is something that makes me very happy. So, that is all, and thank you. Goodbye.